Now that we've successfully packed up the whole house, ready to go. Oop. Nope. Now we're ready to go. We're heading to Blue Water RV Resort, Surfside Beach. There's no RV there. We'll be staying in a cottage, so stay tuned for that review. There's the entrance to the Purple Heron. Now this is after we already been living in it. We forgot to do this beforehand. But you walk in, super cold AC. So I'm gonna turn it off for now. All it is, bunk beds. And then this table or counter area with a TV, microwave, and a sink, and a mini fridge. Does have a coffee pot and a couple of coffee packets. Place to put your bag. Bathroom. Again, this is lived in, but shower. This is where they put the towels. It was like 2 towels, not a whole lot, so bring your own towels. Tiny sink, you can put your stuff down right there. Water pressure was okay. Hot water was okay. It took a little while to get hot. They say it sleeps 4, which is, I guess, you know, 2 and 2. I actually slept on the top bunk. I'm a big dude. It lasted. So if your kids can sleep on top and the parents can sleep on the bottom, if it's, you know, a family of 4, that'd be okay. As long as you know you're basically just sleeping in here. I would say it sleeps 4 and it eats 2. Okay. But you know, you're that far from the beach and you are that far from the bay, so that's why it is what it is. Maybe.
Ouch.
Yeah.
Mommy said I fall in the water.
Ouch. Was it owies?
No, I didn't think we had to.
I think this is probably as far as Peter can go. Because it gets pretty deep past here.
Run.
Like right here is shallow, right?
Stay still, guys. Stay still, Dad.
Here, let's start going back a little bit. We'll go to the shallower water. Oh no, that's a it's called a Jack Crevalle.
Is it alive?
I doubt it. If it's up here, I don't think he's alive.
We put it back in the water?
No, because that red coloring is not normal for him. He's dead. Here's our setup. Easy little pop-up tent. We'll move it when the sun moves. Trying to get the most sun right now. Let these windows open. Sun, but not all the way. Lets the wind through, but allows some shade still. It's windier and a little bit wavier today. And we're by a dead fish. But we'll see what happens. Oh. What kind of ice cream did you get?
You get nothing.
I got that one. I got that one.
Which one?
Which one did you get? Oh, yeah. Y'all got red. Whoa.
That doesn't even look like a fish.
Looks like a giant speckled trout, maybe. That's huge. Either that or maybe, I don't know, looks like a trout.